I don't understand what a snuffer tube is. Is it cut off? Does it come through the side? Looks like it comes through the side the way it's drawn. That's a solid line, not dashed. So here's where mistakes happen. This was supposed to be a 3/16 thou. Half scale of that would be 3/32. I obviously made them 3/8. I went double scale. So now instead of just being a small pin, a dowel key pin to help line up, it's kind of a major headache. That's why these holes are so big. Not sure how that is supposed to work because those are supposed to locate it. So I had to make this very shallow. So that'll work. That's shallow enough. Yeah, it's up off a little bit. I'll sand a little bit off the pins. That was a little scaling error on my part. after a lot of learning and studying, it actually looks like an airplane. There's still a lot to do. The wings stay on, all the structures there. So what I need to finish up on the fuselage, I gotta box in the front pylon, figure out what I'm gonna do for a motor. I don't know. This one may just be a decorative hanging plane. I might put tissue paper on the wings and see if it'll glide. But as far as actually free flight, I'm not sure that's gonna happen. I mean, it is fairly heavy. I should get a scale. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a scale. So I'm gonna put my block of wood, 0 that. All right, so we're weighing in at 319 grams, 11.3 ounces. I don't know in my limited experience if that is good or bad. I imagine it's heavy. I don't see anything in the bill of material about a weight. That's where we're at, 320 grams. Feel free to comment. I imagine that's high. Let me know what you think. Basically, for a first plane, this is pretty crazy. I can't believe that I actually made it to this point.